I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2019, getting ready to see what's new from Spin Master.
For the very first time, there are Hatchimals Pixies in Hatchtopia. These little cuties come in 4 sparkly eggs with 2 different possible pixies inside, and their wings move. Look for these in May 2019.
Hatchimals Collectibles Secret Surprise. These have 3 different levels of excitement, where you can hatch your Hatchimal, where you can build a scene, then discover accessories. Oh, they're pillows! Then you put everything together to build your own Hatchtopia scene. Look for these in fall of 2019. This is the ultimate secret surprise, with over 40 plus surprises to discover. You get pixies and Hatchimals and lots of accessories. Series 6 Hatchimal Collectibles is the Royal Hatch. For the first time ever, they come with little accessories that they can wear. There are princess pears, glitter, the royals, mermals, and the limited edition ones are glitter salon. They have hair. Royal Hatch will be launching in August, and then there is a 6.5 launching shortly after. In October, November, you will find the Royal Snowball, Ice Skaters, Dancers, Royals, Glitter, and the limited edition Cozy Crest. Hatchtopia Life, there are cute little plush Hatchimals inside of an egg that you can hatch. The egg is crackable because, you know, that is so much fun. 15 to collect across Series 1, and they come with a code that you can enter into the Hatchimal app, where you can hatch a digital egg and play with your Hatchimal. Over time, you can build your own digital Hatchtopia. Look for Hatchtopia Life in fall of 2019. Candylocks. It looks like cotton candy, but inside there's a doll. They come with really long hair that you can braid and style for a variety of different looks. And they're scented. And you can also find deluxe Candylocks coming this fall. Off the hook! One of our new favorite collectibles where you can mix and match their styles. Coming in August, there will be 3 new themes: Classroom Chic, Prom Dreams, and School Spirit. You can expect to see new fashion and new hairstyles. Loving those ombre ponytails and all of the plaid skirts. Prom Dreams is all about the glitter. These girls are super glam. For School Spirit, I see a lot of athletic wear, and I love the little cheerleading uniform. Let's see who can put together the best outfit. My outfit is off the hook. Thank you for joining us while we took a look around Spin Master, and we'll see you next time. Bye!